How to fix rate limited error on Snapchat. To resolve a rate limited error on Snapchat, you may follow up the solutions. The number one solution you can apply up is updating the app. For that, open up your device's Play Store or App Store, go to the search, and then in the top, search for Snapchat, and then basically look out for updates if there is any update available for your particular Snapchat application. And if there is any, you can just go ahead and update your application. Apart from that, if this solution doesn't work, you can try restarting the application or device. Long press on your power button for that, and you should be finding a restart option on your screen. Basically, tap on it and restart your device, and try opening up the Snapchat application again and see if that works. Apart from that, check your internet connection as well. Go to your settings for that, and from there, you can head over, look out for connections. And once you find connections, look out for Wi-Fi or data that you're using and see if the issue is with the internet connection or not. If yes, you can try switching up to a different network and fix that issue. And we can also try clearing the cache of the app. Long press on the app for that and go to the info section. And once you open it up, you may scroll down from the given options and look out for storage option. And once you tap on it, look out for clear cache option and just go ahead and clear the cache of your particular Snapchat application, and again open up the app and see if that works. If the issue still persists, you can consider reinstalling the app or contacting Snapchat support, and that should probably fix your issue for rate limited error on Snapchat. So therefore, if you'd also like to fix those issues, you may follow up these methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.